Welcome to FERONIA Hotel Beijing Chaoyang District Bird's Nest Datun Metro Station, your home away from home. You can easily book your stay now by scanning the QR code appearing on screen or checking the description below. Our hotel is perfectly situated for exploring Beijing and offers both comfort and convenience. We pride ourselves on providing excellent value, making your travel dollars stretch further. You'll find free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel, keeping you connected, and we include breakfast, so you can start your day fueled up for adventure. Imagine unwinding in our serene garden oasis after a day of sightseeing. It's a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle, perfect for relaxing or enjoying a good book. For those traveling with kids, our vibrant outdoor playground offers a fun and safe space for them to play and make new friends. We strive to make your stay as smooth as possible with its convenient location near the Datun Metro Station, offering easy access to all the major attractions Beijing has to offer. Everything is designed to ensure you get the most out of your trip. Don't forget, for a hassle-free booking experience, scan the QR code now to reserve your room at FERONIA Hotel Beijing Chaoyang District Bird's Nest Datun Metro Station.